Google's Pixel Watch 2 could be better at workout tracking compared to the Pixel Watch based on the newly leaked materials. The smartwatch, which is set to be launched tomorrow at the Made by Google event in New York, is said to be gaining automatic workout detection. One of the notable missing features of the first Pixel Watch is a fully automatic workout detection that enables the smartwatch to start, pause, or stop detected activities. While you can have a similar feature if you use the Fitbit app on the Pixel Watch, this is somewhat limited to basic exercises like walking and cycling. The accuracy is even a hit or miss for most of the time. Now it appears the Google Pixel Watch 2 is improving this particular fitness functionality, but without the need for users to rely on the Fitbit smartwatch app. As seen in one of the latest marketing images shared by leaker Camilo Wyszykowska on X, it shows the Pixel Watch 2 having a new auto workout mode. It further describes how automatic initiation, pause, and stop of activities are supported after the user has picked the type of workout to be tracked presented on the watch. Evidently, other usual monitoring tools are integrated with this mode as well. For instance, the heart rate zone will adapt if you have switched a zone during workouts, while the pace training allows users to set goals and align laps when running on tracks. In addition to the auto workout mode, some Pixel Watch 2 hardware features are also detailed in the same series of images. This includes an aluminum enclosure rather than the stainless steel on the first-gen Pixel Watch, and that should make the watch lighter. The new triple PPE sensors below the watch are also confirmed to consist of the CDA, heart rate, and SpO2. When it comes to the battery, the Pixel Watch 2 is still rated with 24 hours endurance, but it's quite interesting how the internet search giant is labeling this enhanced battery. Perhaps this may hint of optimized performance for the wearable as brought by the more efficient Snapdragon 885 chipset and upgraded biometric sensors. Google will fully announce the Pixel Watch 2 on October 4th alongside the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The watch should boot on Wear OS 4 based on Android 13. It's unclear how much the new watch is going to cost. Fortunately, we won't be waiting for too long to find out. Would you be considering buying the Google Pixel Watch 2 with these new features and specs? Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.